Oh, it's a CRX. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Cops are still over there. Yeah, they pulled him over. All right, so we're here at the meet. Let's check out, see what they got. Showed up after we just got to the meet. This is insane. Cars are pulling out like crazy right now. That's insane. Everyone's scattered right now. And we just got here. Well, that sounds good. Everyone's clearing out right now. Already pulling out. Keep recording, baby. Yeah, it's pretty crazy out here right now. Got 10th Gen SR in front of us, pretty lowered. Someone's revving like mad crazy right now. That's nuts. Ooh, and that turbo sound? That's crazy. Yeah, everyone's leaving right now. We literally just got here at the meet. This is insane. Here are the cars. Holy shit. Woo! They're backfiring like mad crazy. This is insane. Damn. Everyone's pulling out. Yeah. Are these people just pulling in? It's gonna be hard to pull out right now. Everybody trying to pull out at the same time. Oh, this is insane right here. Holy shit. Yeah, so cops are over there. And yeah, everyone's clearing out the parking lot. People cars are still pulling out. Yeah, so everyone cleared. Cars are still leaving right now. That's a nice looking Corvette right there. I like the matte black. All right, so we're about to head to the other address. Let's see what's going on over there. Oh, whoa. Oh, it's a CRX. I haven't seen one of those in a while. So it seems like the cars are going separate directions, and at the same time, the cop is following some of the cars to where they're going. So as you can see in the distance, there's like lights down there. So I don't know. Let's see what's going on. See, there's cops over there. I don't know if you can see the lights. Right there, there's cops over there. Like they're just chilling. Oh wait, I think they pulled over somebody over there. They pulled over someone over there. Come on, focus. Cops are still over there. Yeah, they pulled him over. These guys are there just chilling. Got a lower 350 right here. It seems like the cop is still circling around, as you can see.
I think they spot him.
So guys, it seems like that's gonna be it for the video. It's pretty crazy video. Well, not that crazy, but because we didn't catch the crazy stuff. But seems like a new address was even sent out, and the cops just keep following every car that was leaving the meet. So yeah, that's gonna be it. See you on the next one. Peace.